Hello guys, you're welcome. So let's get into the course and start up. Guys, welcome. So we are now here, and the very first thing we need to start creating our website, it's a domain. But since we are going to use free hosting from Infinity Free, and they're going to give us a subdomain, we don't need to go and get ourselves a domain. So we just go into the hosting plan and search for Infinity Free. So we are going to search for Infinity. You see it comes up Infinity Free. You just type on Infinity Free into your web browser and search for it. So once you get into Infinity Free, you look, it has the sign of an infinity, which is a sleeping or a lying 8. So we now click on the Infinity Free and visit their websites. If your browser is not set to desktop mode, just try and put it on desktop mode so you can browse this. Now if you look at there, we have free hosting, we have premium hosting. Premium hosting, it means that you have to host your website here, you have to pay for it. Now if you're asking where is the website you want to host, since we are building a website from WordPress, we will need to go through this process. First, we need to get a hosting on Infinity Free. So what you need to do is click on the free hosting. So because you want a free one, but if you want to pay for it, you can actually pay for it. So what they give so many things. They have fast free hosting, they have 99.9% of the unlimited hosting, they have completely free, no false ads, host any domain. You can host any domain, so you can buy a domain from anywhere, guys. It's now with the installer packs, the softwares, the script installers that they have. We have WordPress, we have Joomla, we have Drupal, we have PHPBB, we have PrestaShop, and we have MyBB. So these are what we are going to use. But the most people, the internet, in fact I think about 40% of the websites on the internet are built under WordPress. So this is what we are going to be using to build the front end of our website. So let's get into this. So what we want to do is click on free hosting, click on free hosting, and let it load up. So that's it, it loads up, and we can get down to free hosting. I think, where is it? Just get down there, and you can see free hosting features. So unlimited disk space, you have unlimited you could need for your website. So all these things they give you for free. What free hosting features? Everything you could possibly need for your website. You have unlimited disk space, unlimited bandwidth, 400 MySQL database. We have PHP, SQL, that free subdomain name. So they give you a free subdomain, the full SSL on your subdomain. Oh, we have an SSL on our subdomain. That's really nice. Free DNS server, so we don't need to look for SSL again because we already have an SSL certificate. So guys, let's just scroll down, and now what I want to do is I want to actually create an account. So what you have to do is go to the top and go to the, I think it should be the client, the register, register. So we are going to register right here, and we are going to create an account. So normally I have an account. You see when I click, it comes up with some of my details. I already have an account here, but we are going to create a new one today. So let's get in. I don't want to use this account, I want to show you how to do it from scratch. So we'll get in here. So let me just choose this so they can get me out, and I'm going to create a new one. Let me put in my email, a new email. So I'm going to use a new email. Now let's get back to that. Let's get back to that so I can put in a new email. So that is that. Then a password, I'm going to allow the password that be, unless I know my password. So the same. Okay guys, so once you fill in your credentials, your email, password, and everything, you just need to click on I've accepted the terms and agreement, then click on I am not a robot, and that is that. When it is checked, you need to click on create account. When this green is there, click on create account. Now when you click on it, let's see what happens. Verify your email address. Or let's save this. You guys always make sure you save that if it is your phone, if it's your phone or your computer you're using. Now please click we have to go to the email and check our inbox. So guys, let's head into our email right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get into my mailbox on my phone right now and see what if I've been sent anything. Okay, we have here on the second page, we do have it here. So I'm going to click on Gmail, and I'm going to run and look for the rush up and look for the mail that I signed in on to check that out. So let's get this. So I've got Gmails. So if we could just go, let me check the one we signed in with. The one we signed in with is it's a little bit messy right now. This is it. So let's go check that out. Let's go check that out. So we have to activate our account on Infinity Free. So you come to your mail and check, you see Infinity Free Verifier open there. So let's click on it one more time. I think it's taking a long time to open up. I think the phone is slowing down, but whatever happens, you're gonna record this video today. So okay, it's loading up. I think it's taking more time to load than a web page. Okay, you can see we scroll. When you scroll, you'll come to this part which says verify. So we scroll, hello, please the button below to verify your email address. So we're going to click on verify. It's going to take us to a browser. So I click on verify. We should be able to get into a browser. So that is that. Let's click on it, and we should be heading into a browser right now. The phone is quite slow today. So click on that, and let's choose the Chrome browser. I love the Chrome browser. So we choose the Chrome browser and click on that. And there, Infinity Free will verify and see if we pass the Gmail. So great, success, your email address has been verified. You can now create your hosting account. So now what you have to do is you have to start by filling out the information that are here. So create an account now. Your account, so you have no username, so you have to start creating an account. You click on create an account. You have to pass through 3 steps. So we go on create an account and wait for that to load up. This is an ad which is pop up, but it has gone itself. Now create an account. First you have to choose a domain name. Now this is actually what you want your website to be like. If I want my website to be google.com, I have to choose google.com. But now that we are having a subdomain instead, we are choosing a subdomain. The ones to choose what our website. Let's say I want a website and I want to name it let me just name it Dylan's. So we have so let's name that Dylan's. Oh, sorry about my keyboard. We'll name that Dylan's class. So let's name that Dylan's class. So that should be normally what you should learn, or normally what you should type in to have my website pop up, or you can just type Dylan's. And let's see. Now what you have to do is you click these are the extensions. So if you want a dot, this is .free cluster, if that's what you want your domain to end like, but I don't want that. So I'm going to click here. The better one, there's .rf.gd, which is not really. We have .infinityfreeapp.com, .epz.com. I think epz is way better, or greatsite.net. Anyone, you can choose greatsite, you can choose epz. So I think I'm confused between the two, but I would like to go with epz. So I'll click on epz. So I have Dylance.epz.com. So that will be it. So I'll search now for and see if it is available, because somebody might have used this already. Now let's see if it's a valid error. The subdomain is not correct, the correct format. So I think because I put the apostrophe here, let me just remove that apostrophe. And Zealand.pz.com. That depends on what you want to write. I'm just putting that. So let's click on search domain and see if it gives us. And that, okay, we see that Zealand.pz.com is available, so we can go now to the next step. The next step is to create a hosting account. So we have to create a hosting account here. Now you need an account username. You can generate automatically or you can fill in yourself. So this one has been generated automatically. So what okay guys, so once you filled in, I filled it up there. I can't show you because it's my password, so I'm going to click on I'm not a robot, and when you click on that, it ticks green, so you need to click on create account. So account created. So success, your account has been created with the username. You see this username? Please copy this. This will be your account on Epeasy. So this will be your username right now. So what you need to do is try and as much as possible to copy this. So you can copy. So click on copy and keep somewhere. So we have this. This name will be sent to your mailbox as well, so you can see it on your mailbox if you ever lost it. So what you need to do is create a hosting account. Now if you look at that, we have choose a domain name. We think we've done that. Okay, now we need to, okay, we are all through, so we need to choose a domain name. So what I'm going to do is enter a domain name. I think domain has been chosen already. I just have one domain name here, so I'm going to go to open panel. We are going to come to view a client area later, but let's go to open panel. You want to be here, guys. This is where you want to be. So you see it automatically comes to my name, and I'll have to input. You see that is it. You've noticed to notify you the changes on service, offers an important service and emails with the permission to send you emails. So I approve. I'm approving that it should send me emails if something happens. So now I am in the view panel section. Now I want to change this.